Hello everyone and welcome again in a technical video. Today we will show you how you can install the application which you got on Windows. When you get Windows 10 or you buy a computer with Windows 10, you will realize that there is some application which they are pre-installed like Xbox and other application which they have now used for you, but they are taking your space on the computer and using your processor and using your battery and also your internet. So to install them, you cannot install them in the traditional way, like removing all the way to remove programs, but there is another way to do it. So basically, you will need to go to the search tab and you will type PowerShell, PowerShell, and you click on it with the right button of the mouse. You click on it, as I said, with the right button of the mouse and you choose Run as Administrator. Please make sure to run it as an administrator, otherwise you will not be able to install any application. After you do that, a window will open, a small window, blue one. You will need to wait a little bit until it shows you this message, copyright Microsoft, all right reserved. And then what you need to do is to download the file which is in the link down the video. And all what you will have to do is to copy and paste one by one for each application. For example, if you would like to install weather, the application weather, you copy and you paste here. But please do not press enter because there is an error in the coding translation. So all what you have to do is use your keyboard indicators to go back. Don't use the mouse to bring it back to the middle. And here you press delete under this sign and you put minus. You go to the first one, you press delete and you put minus. And then you need to go back to the end of the line and you press enter. The system will show you this green screen or this green line in yellow, written in yellow. That means it is processing and the installation was done. And as soon as it is done, another line will appear again with the same name, PSC Windows System 32. Then next what you will need to do is to do again the same thing. You copy and you paste again. You bring back by the signs of you bring back, using the keyboard, the cursor, and here you put delete, you put minus, you go back to the first one and you put minus. This is due to an error in translation of Windows PowerShell. But anyway, you will need to make sure that it looks the same as you have in the PDF file or in the Word file which you upload. You need to have the same signs. And then you put enter. And here it is processing again. Sorry, it was quite fast. It was processed. And now we have the line again, empty. That means that the application was installed. Let's do this a third time. We will copy again and we will paste. We bring back to the middle. We press delete. Sorry, there was an error. And when there is an error, it will show you this red message. So all what you have to do is to paste again, to bring it back, to delete, and to put the minus sign instead, to delete again here, and to put the minus sign, and then you bring back to the end of the line and you press enter. And as you can see here, it is processing in green. Now we have the new line appearing again, empty line. That means that the application was deleted. So this application or this PowerShell is waiting for us to give it another order to apply it. So we can do again for another application, Windows Store, for example. So we will take it here and we will do again the same. As you can see, we have an error here. So we put something incorrect. We need to correct here. We need to put minus. And also in the beginning here, we will need to put minus instead of this sign. We will go there, delete, and now we need to go back again to the end of the line and press enter. It is processing again in green, and it will show the new line, empty line. That means the application was installed and the PowerShell is waiting for the next order. Please, if you don't see the processing, the green line with where is it written processing, don't be afraid. As soon as it show you this line again, that means the PowerShell took your order and it applied very fast that the message didn't get enough time to show before being resolved. So don't be afraid, don't be worried. As soon as you have this line appearing again and asking you to type new comments, that means it was okay, then the application wasn't installed. Please make sure to download this file, this Word or PDF file, depending on you. You will have two links. Please, as soon as you download it, copy, paste, and make sure to have the sign minus instead of that sign. And as I said, it's only an error of translation from the PowerShell Windows, but anyway, it is working fine. Please, if you have any question, contact us, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. If you have any question, you can always put us in a comment or send us an email. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Thank you for watching and thank you for following us. Enjoy. And also concerning the application, you will find all the application pre-installed from Windows on this file. You can go through each one and choose which one you would like to install one by one, but please make sure to check the application if you can install it or not. If you have this code under the application, for example, install camera, and here you have this code, that means you can install it. However, there is some application which you cannot install. For example, contact support, you will not be able to install this application. It can't be removed. Also Cortana, it can't be removed. And there is also Microsoft Edge, which cannot be removed. There is several applications. However, there are very few, like 5 or 6 applications which you cannot install, but all the other applications you can install them, including the voice recorder, the weather, Windows Store, appli application for pictures, phone companion, install people, OneNote, news, and also the other application which you can install, it's movies and TV, money, Microsoft Solitaire collection, and you can also install maps, music, and install get started application, get Skype, and also get Office Hub, and there is also Windows Camera, Windows Communication application, calendar and mail, calculator, alarms and clock, and 3D Builder. All these applications you can install them. Concerning Cortana, Cortana is existing only in the versions which the first version of Windows testing one and also the non-professional one. On Windows 10 Professional, there is no Cortana. For me, I have Windows Professional, there is no Cortana pre-installed, and sometimes it is useful, but sometimes you have a problem with it because it's only a robot and trying to execute what you are telling her. But there is always a possibility to disable Cortana. However, if you disable Cortana, you will not have this magnifying glass where you can look for programs and stuff. You will find you will have the possibility to install to deactivate Cortana, but you cannot uninstall it. You need just to check on your settings, and as you can hear, if I turn it on, Cortana will be on, but if I leave it off, Cortana is not working. So you can do the same on your computer. You go to the searching tab, you click on the settings sign, and you make sure that you turn off Cortana so that you don't have any problem with it. Please make sure to install this to upload this file.